Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about very important problems in the chapter trigonometric equations. See the first problem. If theta 1 and theta 2 are solutions of the equation a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta equal to c, tan theta 1 is not equal to tan theta 2 and a plus c not equal to 0, then find the values of tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 and tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. According to the given problem, the given equation is a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta is equal to c. In the previous classes, we already learnt the formulas for cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta. Here, A into the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus B into the formula for sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to C. Take LCM in the LHS side. LCM is 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Here numerator is a into 1 minus tan square theta plus b into 2 tan theta is equal to c. Cross multiply, you get a into 1 minus tan square theta plus b into 2 tan theta is equal to c into 1 plus tan square theta. Expanding, we get a minus a tan square theta plus 2b tan theta is equal to c plus c tan square theta. Move all these terms into RHS. Here RHS is c plus c tan square theta minus a plus a tan square theta minus 2b tan theta is equal to 0. From these two terms, tan square theta common. C plus a tan square theta. Next, minus 2b tan theta minus 2b tan theta, and taking these two terms into one bracket plus c minus a is equal to 0. C minus a equal to 0. Here it is a quadratic equation in tan theta comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to c plus a, b is equal to minus 2b, c is equal to c minus a. C equal to c minus a. Given that theta 1 and theta 2 are solutions of the given equation, given theta 1, theta 2 are solutions of given equation, that is solutions of theta. Here the equation is a quadratic equation in tan theta. So tan theta 1, tan theta 2 are solutions of tan theta. tan theta 1, tan theta 2 are solutions of tan theta. We know that the sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. First one, sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. Here the roots are tan theta 1 and tan theta 2. Sum of roots is tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to minus. Here b is minus 2b by a is c minus a. That equal to 2b by c minus a. And second one is, we know that product of roots is c by a. Here the product of roots is tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to c by a. Here the value of c is c minus a and the value of a is c plus a. Therefore, the product of roots is c by a, that is tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to c minus a by c plus a. See the next problem. Solve cot square x minus root 3 plus 1 cot x plus root 3 equal to 0 where 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Given problem is cot square x minus root 3 plus 1 cot x plus root 3 equal to 0. Expanding this equation, cot square x minus root 3 cot x minus cot x plus root 3 equal to 0. Here cot x common from first two terms, cot x into cot x minus root 3. Minus 1 common from last two terms, minus 1 into cot x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Here cot x minus root 3 as common, cot x minus root 3 into cot x minus 1 equal to 0. Here it is in the form of a into b is equal to 0. We know that a into b equal to 0, then either a equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. That is cot x minus root 3 is equal to 0 or cot x minus 1 equal to 0. Cot x equal to root 3 or cot x equal to 1. Cot x equal to root 3, that means tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. Or here cot x equal to 1, that means tan x is equal to 1 by 1, that is 1. Here tan x equal to tan pi by 6 or tan x equal to tan pi by 4. We know that the general solution for tan x equal to tan alpha. General solution for tan x equal to tan alpha is x is equal to n pi plus alpha where n belongs to z. Apply this formula, we get general solution is x is equal to n pi plus pi by 6, or in second case general solution is x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4 for all n belongs to z. For all n belongs to z. Given that 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Now we have to find the values of x lying between 0 and pi by 2. For this we can write n is equal to 0. N equal to 0. Here, put n equal to 0, we get x is equal to pi by 6. In second case, x is equal to pi by 4. X equal to pi by 6 or x equal to pi by 4. Therefore, solution set is equal to pi by 6 comma pi by 4. See the next problem. Given p not equal to plus or minus q, show that the solutions of cos p theta plus cos q theta equal to 0 form two series, each of which is in AP. Find the common difference of each AP. Given equation is cos p theta plus cos q theta is equal to 0. We know the formula for cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Apply this formula, we get 2 cos p theta plus q theta by 2 into cos p theta minus q theta by 2 is equal to 0. 2 get cancelled. Cos of p plus q by 2 theta. Cos of p plus q by 2 theta into cos of p minus q by 2 theta equal to 0. Here it is in the form of a into b is equal to 0. We know that a into b equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. In this case, cos p plus q by 2 theta equal to 0 or cos p minus q by 2 theta is equal to 0. Here there are two cases arise. First case is case 1. If cos p plus q by 2 theta equal to 0. We know that the general solution for cos x equal to 0 is x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 for all n belongs to z. Apply this formula. General solution is p plus q by 2 theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. P plus q theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. 2n plus 1 into pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by p plus q by p plus q for all n belongs to z. N belongs to z. Put n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. N equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. The values of theta are theta equal to, put n equal to 0, we get pi by p plus q. Put n equal to 1, we get 3 pi by p plus q. Put n equal to 2, we get 5 pi by p plus q, so on. Here, the solutions of theta form an AP. Solutions of theta form an AP and the common difference is is 2 pi by p plus q. 2 pi by p plus q. Coming to the second case, case 2. Here cos of p minus q by 2 theta is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of cos x equal to 0. We know that general solution of cos x equal to 0 is x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here general solution is p minus q by 2 theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Here 2 get cancelled. P minus q theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. Here theta is 2n plus 1 pi by p minus q. P minus q. Put n equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. We get the values of theta are theta equal to, put n equal to 0, we get pi by p minus q. Put n equal to 1, we get 3 pi by p minus q. N equal to 2, we get 5 pi by p minus q, and so on. We observe that the values of theta or the solutions of theta form an AP. Therefore, solutions of theta form an AP, and common difference is 2 pi by p minus q. 2 pi by p minus q.